Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. This is Final Project Basic English Assignment.
My name is Aman Yana Malana. You can call me Aman. And she is my friend.
Hi, my name is Siska Karina. You can call me Siska. And we are from class. And we will tell you the excitement of a one-day trip from Jakarta to Bandung. And we will recommend several places and transportation during the trip.
We depart from Gambir Station on the Papandayan train to Bandung in the morning. Our trip from Jakarta to Bandung took 3 hours.
Even though our trip was 3 hours, we are very happy because throughout the trip we could see the scenery. We got good service by PT Kereta Api Indonesia. We could buy some food and some drink on the train, like the service on an airplane.
Upon arrival in Bandung, we were picked up by minibus called Elf, which we booked from TikTok. The Elf was very comfortable. The driver was friendly, punctual, and very familiar with alternative routes in Bandung.
And don't forget, Mar, we also really enjoy karaoke in the Elf. And the Elf really recommend. If you want to go around to Bandung, you can order at Nusadia Transport. It was really cheaper.
If you want rent an Elf, you can save this number. Or you can follow their social media at Nusadia Transport. The first place we visit from house. Honestly, I didn't live up to our expectation. It's small and almost every photo spot requires an additional fee.
That's right. The service was terrible. For example, my son saw the cat. She gave him cat food and charged my son 2,000 rupiahs. I felt my son was being set up and it was annoying. Everything was most expensive.
I was also really annoyed. That's why I really not recommend from Os Bandung. The only friendly and interesting thing there is the gelato ice cream. So good to take the picture. We continued our journey to Alas Daun. The food was delicious and the service was good.
I really recommend this place. The chili sauce is unforgettable. It's so delicious.
After that, we continued
to the floating market.
The place is very spacious.
And the photo spots are free.
There are lots of food on board.
Lots of game ride such as watching 3D movies.
Riding booths serve like ride cars, dragons, and others.
We can see lots of fish and swan
With cheap price and good service.
And for the woman pregnant like me, it is very comfortable to sit in gazebo. Gazebo like this, and I'm eating some food and drink of hot tea in the cold weather. And my children was really enjoying it, riding the train around.
Wheels on the train go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the train go round and round, on the rail.
There is also a very bigger swimming pool. There are boat rides. I really recommend this place. It is suitable for families, couples,
pretty, and the floating market is really recommended since there was still time before going home. We took the opportunity to go to Strobilus Cafe, which is located not far from the floating market.
The Strobilus Cafe is really crazy. The place is spacious, surrounded by pinus tree, lots of spots take pictures, and there is live music. The food and drink so variative, cheap and very delicious.
What I really like is the service. It's really good because when I said we were in hurry, so we wouldn't miss the train. They serve us really well and quickly.
I really recommend Strobilus Cafe. The most important things is that we have to make a reservation before coming there because it is very crowded.
Especially on holidays. And when it was time for us go to home, we were taken by the elf go to Padalarang station on time via an alternative route. And we also had time to buy lots of souvenirs.
We took the wood train.
And it was our first experience.
It was very impressive.
The station was like an airport.
The train was running very smoothly but very fast.
It only took us 30 minutes from Bandung to Jakarta.
We highly recommend riding the Wood train. You have to try it.
That's right. And in Padalarang station, and what's more, there is a Kartika Sari shop at the station Padalarang. I highly recommend trying those food souvenirs. They are really delicious.
That's all for our one day trip to Bandung.
So, what our recommendation, Amar?
Papandayan train, New Sadia Transport, Alasan Restaurant, Floating Market, and Strobilus Cafe.
So, what don't you recommend?
Farmhouse.
Don't forget to visit what our